I hope you're all safe, happy and well at home and enjoying the beautiful sunshine. I am going to practice our set 1 sounds today. It's really important that whilst you're practicing your phonics at home and hopefully doing lots of sound work and lots of reading, that you're saying your sounds correctly. So what we're going to do in this video is that I'm going to show you how we say the sound correctly, then I'm going to give you a little bit of time so that you can say the sound back to me and maybe even teach some of your brothers or sisters or grown-ups that are at home with you how we say that sound correctly. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at all of the sounds that are in set 1, and there's quite a lot of them, so we're going to do lots and lots and lots of sounds together this afternoon. If you find these sounds really easy, what I'd like you to do is then go and watch Miss Hargreaves practice the set 2 and set 3 sounds on our YouTube video as well. Okay, are we ready to go? So show me your magnet eyes. Ready for some super phonics work this afternoon? Here we go. Ah. Ah. S. S. D. D. T. T. I. I. N. N. G. G. O. O. K. Ah. Ah. B. B. L. L. Sh. Sh. Er. J. J. V. V. Y. Y. W. W. Z. Z. Ch. Ch. Qu. Well done, everyone. I hope you were able to have a go at copying the sounds after I shared them with you. But just before we say goodbye, I am going to go through all of the set one sounds. Let's get speedy, but this time I'm not going to tell you what they are. I want you to tell me what they are as loudly but as correctly as you can. Are you ready to get speedy? Here we go. Everyone, that was fantastic. Now, if there are any sounds that you're a little bit unsure of, what I would say is that you need to practice them every day. So you can either watch this video or just go to the end bit where we do some super speedy sounds all together. So well done. Thank you ever so much for coming to join me for some phonics this afternoon. Remember, keep trying your best. It's really important, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Take care of yourselves. Bye.